Hello and welcome into another episode of the SublimeTraders Bitcoin update. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd of July, and we are going to start off by looking at the 1-hour chart for the price action of Bitcoin. As you can see, the price has came up significantly higher from its Monday's low at around $9,164.5 and increased by 5.21% measured to its highest point today, which was at $9,640 $40 area now. But the price then fell lower and spiked and left this spike to the upside because a seller's territory has been reached, and now as the price came to the downside, we have seen this minor retracement playing out. Now looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see that the price has started to recover a bit again and has moved in a 5-wave manner, but I would be expecting that this would continue for another low before the price continues moving again to the upside slightly higher. Now looking at our Elliott wave analysis, we can see that this was the first wave, this was the third, and now we have been expecting a development of the fourth wave, which is corrective in nature, and after its completion we are going to most likely see the fifth one to the upside, which is going to push the price of Bitcoin again slightly higher, but that would be the ending wave out of this increase here. Would this be the end of this complete increase? We're yet to see, but looking at the price for now, it could mean that this was a C wave, but definitely further upside would be expected as the price broke out from this descending triangle in which it was trading from the 1st of June. Now this whole structure here is most likely the third wave of a higher degree, which is why after its completion I would be looking at a 5-wave count, but this could also be a corrective wave, so we are going to see what happens from the expected correction. In either way, in the short term, we are going to see an increase of around 1.38% measured to this high here potentially, or even this horizontal range here above 9,770 area. So after slightly more upside, we are going to see what happens in the following period. Let's move on to our next chart. Our next chart is Cardano compared to BTC, and we are seeing the price of Cardano experiencing this correction from the 8th of July and is now starting to move back to the upside again. Potentially going to break out from this triangle structure that started developing from the 8th of July and then from the 10th of July as this this low was made then. So this is most likely the fourth wave of higher degree count, which is why another push to the upside would be expected. Now this horizontal resistance level here is highly significant one, so we could potentially see just a retest of this old high, or maybe just a slight push above it, so as the price would end in a truncation. So we are going to see what happens to those levels, but this is most likely the ending wave of the highest degree count, which, zooming out on the 4-hour chart, we can see is in development. So the price of Cardano is still has more room to go to the upside, but this horizontal range here, as I already pointed out, is a highly significant one. So if we see a breakout above it, then the next target would be this horizontal resistance here, or even this one above 1935, which would be a 44% increase. That is unlikely to happen, although it is a possibility, because the price of Cardano increased more than 247% from April. So 40% more to the upside isn't as likely, but again, still a possibility. The Shelley update is about to come, so maybe it will serve as a catalyst for a breakout above this resistance level here. But again, I would say it's highly unlikely that the increase would continue for that long. This was all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one, and in the meantime, make sure to subscribe to our free 7-day trial so that you can see the benefits of our trading signals before you commit to joining. Cheers and happy trading!